In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create color shadows to match the background in Affinity Photo. We'll keep it simple and precise so your subject sits naturally in any scene. Start by opening Affinity Photo. Once it's ready, bring in your background and the image you want to place on it. You can drag them in or use the standard import options. Make sure the background sits on the bottom of the Layers panel and your subject is above it. Take a moment to scale and position your subject so it feels grounded in the scene. This matters because the direction and softness of the shadow depend on where your subject is relative to any light source implied by the background. With your subject layer selected, open Quick FX, the Layer Effects panel. Enable a shadow effect and lower the opacity until it blends with the scene rather than overpowering it. For a convincing match, set the shadow color by sampling from the background using the eyedropper. Choose a darker area close to where the shadow would land. Real shadows inherit a tint from their surroundings, so this step does the heavy lifting in making everything look cohesive. Adjust the angle and offset so the shadow points the same way other cues in the image suggest, like highlights, reflections, or existing shadows. Increase the radius to soften the edge. Shadows are rarely razor sharp unless the light is very hard and close. If the edge still looks a bit harsh or the transition feels too crisp, click on Gaussian blur and gently raise the radius. A subtle blur helps the shadow feather into the background and removes that cutout look. Watch the edges near the feet or contact point, keep them slightly sharper, and let the blur grow softer as the shadow moves away. Less is more here. You want to suggest depth, not smear the form. That's the workflow. Place your images, use Quick FX to color and control the shadow's opacity and direction, then refine with Gaussian blur for natural softness. Follow these steps and your composites will look clean, cohesive, and believable.